Are you tired of struggling with weight loss? Introducing the Rapid 10-Day Weight Loss Challenge. Transform your body now. With our proven methods, you can achieve amazing results in just 10 days. Say goodbye to extra pounds and hello to a new, slimmer you. Our program is designed to kickstart your metabolism and ignite your fat-burning potential. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can shed those unwanted pounds. But how does it work? Our program focuses on a combination of healthy eating and targeted exercises. We provide you with a detailed meal plan and simple yet effective workout routines. You'll also receive guidance and support throughout the entire process. Our nutritional experts have carefully crafted a meal plan that includes delicious and healthy recipes. You won't have to starve yourself or cut out your favorite foods. We believe in sustainable weight loss that doesn't leave you feeling deprived. In just 10 days, you will see a visible difference in your body. You'll experience increased energy levels, improved mood, and a boost in confidence. Don't waste any more time on ineffective diets. Join our Rapid 10-Day Weight Loss Challenge and transform your body now. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more weight loss tips and challenges. Transform your body and life with us.